Alright, so I have the biggest part of the kitchen all glued down. I've spread out some plywoods, and this is a couple pieces of underlayment, and put some weight on top of them. Because unfortunately, there are a couple spots that kind of humped up over there. So I'm hoping to avoid that here by putting weight and spreading out stuff across it. Unfortunately, I did run out of glue. So I have a little bit that needs to get stuck over there. And then down the back doorway, I need to get some more glue for that. But switching gears, I have a light that will fill that spot right there. So, you know, I didn't go with anything super fancy. I just went to Home Depot and got the 2-pack lights. The smaller ones are going to be for the hallway and the 2 bedrooms. Then I got bigger ones for the living room and in the kitchen through that wall. Those are 13-inch. These smaller ones are 11. So that'll be the next task before I go back out and get more glue. And then apparently I filmed nothing else about the lighting, but hanging the light fixture in the hallway in the kitchen went fine. Then the next morning I went out and bought all of the cabinets for the kitchen. So what you're watching now is me starting the process of unboxing all of the cabinets. In a second here I'm going to jump back to explaining what I'm doing normally. Alright, so I have some cabinets over there. I went to my local bargain outlet and bought them as ready to assemble. It's a little bit cheaper that way. You know, say what you will, I suppose. But I'm going to start assembling. This big flat one in the middle is the sink base, so I'm going to start there since that is going to be lined up with the window over that way. And yeah, I've never assembled cabinets, so this will be interesting. They are Newport honey, or Newport honeys. They are of all wood construction. They're a sort of a honey color, but yeah,